Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today the topic of the video is treasury bills or T-bills, which is a topic of banking awareness. Okay, so let's start from what is treasury bill, what are the features, and what are the special features of T-bills. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. So let's first start that what a T-bill is. Now, to start about T-bill or treasury bill is a government security which are issued by RBI through banks to any individual, any organization, or any financial institution. So, a T-bill is a government security which are issued by RBI through banks to any individual, any organization, or any financial institution. Now, T-bill is an instrument which fell under money market. Is a money market instrument. Okay, so there are two types of market. One is money market and one is capital market. And money market is a market which deals with short term, and capital market which deals with long term. Okay, so let's again come to T-bill. So this is treasury bill. Now, treasury bill or T-bills are of three types. One is issued for 91 days. Another one is issued for 182 days, and the last one is issued for 364 days. Okay. Now treasury bills doesn't give you any interest. It gives you discount. Discount on what? Discount on face value. Now, a question will automatically arise that what is a face value? A face value is a value of something that offers to anyone. Now suppose someone, let's say Mr. X, offers you a pen of rupees 10 rupees. So this 10 rupees is the face value of the pen. Okay, so this is the concept of face value. Now T-bill always gives discount on face value. Now what discount? Now what is the meaning of discount of face value? Let's discuss. Suppose government issued an T-bill worth rupees 1 lakh. Now you were eager to buy that. Now 1 lakh is the face value. Okay. When you go to the bank and you say the banker that you want to purchase a T-bill worth 1 lakh, the face value is 1 lakh. Now, discount of face value means, let's say there is 10% discount. 10% discount on face value. So, you will buy that 1 lakh worthy instrument of 90,000 because you already get a discount of 10, you already get a discount of 10%. Okay, so you buy that instrument of 90,000, but at maturity, after, let's say after 1 year, you buy the T-bill of 364 days. Okay, so after 364 days, not 1 year, at the time of maturity, you will get 1 lakh. Okay, so there is no interest, but there is a discount on face value, and this 10% is the discount, and 1 lakh is the face value. So discount on face value, as the discount of face value applies, that's why you buy that instrument of 1 lakh for 90,000, and after and at the time of maturity you are getting the 1 lakh. So this is how the profit by buying T-bills works. Okay, now as this T-bill does not gives you discount, does not give you interest but gives you discount, that's why they are also called zero coupon bonds. Now automatically another question will arise, that what is a zero coupon bonds, what does it stand for, or what is purely what is zero coupon bonds. Now zero coupon bonds is also a bond that pays no interest at maturity, but gives a discount on face value. So the character of zero coupon bonds, the features of zero coupon bonds and the features of T-bill are same. That's why T-bill is often called zero coupon bonds. So I think I made it clear that how T-bill works and what is zero coupon bonds and why T-bills are called zero coupon bonds. Okay. Now the another feature of T-bill is T-bills are also known as gilt edge security. Sorry, it will be gilt edge. Now another question, what is the gilt edge security? Now the meaning of gilt edge security is of the best quality. Okay, the meaning of gilt edge security is of the best quality. Now among the other debt instrument, T-bills are trustworthy. Why? Because it is issued by RBI, but it is a government security. It is a government security which is issued by RBI. So it is the most trustworthy debt instrument. And another one is T-bill, and another one is gilt edge. Also means it is profitable. So as T-bills are trustworthy and profitable and one of the best quality instruments that are available in the market, that is why T-bills are also called gilt edge security. Now the minimum value for issuing T-bill or to buy, the minimum value for buying T-bills is 25,000, and there is no maximum limit, but multiply of 25,000. So you can buy a T-bill worth of 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, but you cannot buy a T-bill worth of 35,000, because 35,000 is not a integer multiplication of 25,000. Okay, so this is all about T-bills. I think I have gave you sufficient points about T-bill, the features, the special features. So in the very next video, I will share many other topics regarding to banking awareness and other subject regarding to banking exam or any other competitive exam. Okay, so thank you so much. Watch my video and subscribe my channel and have a great future ahead.